Between 2009 and 2022, 231 million became victims of a data breach in a healthcare entity. Hospitals, insurance companies, and anyone in between. And the situation was even worse in the 1990s, which called urgently for new legislation. HIPAA stands for the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. It was signed in 1996 by Bill Clinton in an effort to modernize and regulate the flow of patient information in the healthcare domain. All HIPAA requirements are broken into 5 sections, also called titles. The titles include security, privacy, enforcement, breach notification, and omnibus. A healthcare company's failure to comply with HIPAA can result in a fine ranging from $100 to over $1.5 million in case the company was aware of the breach and did nothing. It also leads to a loss of reputation and costly legal proceedings. HIPAA compliance is mandatory not only for healthcare providers such as hospitals and individual practitioners, but also insurance companies, medical billing companies, and IT infrastructure providers, including hosting and cloud services. One of the best ways to comply with HIPAA and avoid financial and reputational losses is through meticulous HIPAA software testing. A brand new healthcare product should always be tested for HIPAA compliance before the release. A good rule of thumb is to perform HIPAA software testing every time the product has been updated or enhanced, or when HIPAA requirements have changed. You can achieve the strongest results of HIPAA testing if you go for HIPAA-certified software testing engineers. They have the expertise and experience required to cover every compliance area. HIPAA compliance testing includes a range of activities: functional and non-functional testing, ensuring role-based access for different user categories, security and penetration testing, creating relevant test cases, and testing automation efforts. Testing your software for HIPAA compliance means you get to retain the trust of your user base and not face significant fines due to preventable data breaches.